God, she's like this all the way up. Selfies every 2 minutes. Morning, back out on the trail, and I'm in the beautiful Lake District. Not so beautiful today, windy, rainy, misty. I don't know what I'm doing here, but here we go. I'm out today with my friend Nicole, or Nick. I'll introduce you to her in a little bit. And today we've come to do 6 Wainwrights, weather permitting. It's like Pike, Rossett Pike, Bowfell, Pike of Blisco. There's quite a few. So yeah, look, lovely blue sky there. But what we're heading into is all the clag up there. 60 km/h winds today, a forecast, so it should be fun. Let's get walking, I'll get on the trail and then I'll introduce you to Nick. It's going to be fun today. Woo! And this is on ground level. Wait till we get up to the tops. Looks lovely. There we go. I think the audio is going to be poor today, but I'll do my best. So, this is Nick, who's dragged me here today. Nothing in my body wanted to come here today. I knew the weather was going to be bad, windy, everything else, but I agreed to come. I'm going to kill her later. She owes me a serious pint after this on the way back. But yeah, I'm actually glad we're out. I haven't hiked for a couple of weeks, so should be good today. First little climb, we're definitely heading up onto the top there, 100%. Oh yes, go on. I've got it, look, no, come here, look, come here, this way. Oh yeah, and go over the gate here, and then climb over that. There we go. I'm definitely not filming your ass from here, so don't worry. I don't. Better. My eyelashes are already falling off. Nick. Oh. Look, bothered about our eyelashes. Complain that our eyelash is coming off. Our route so far has taken us up here. Look at that beautiful landscape. And it's supposed to be taking us a longer path here and up. But we've decided, might as well just go straight up here because it looks like it connects anyway. And we're probably going up into the cloud there. So yeah, steep ascent. Off the route a little bit, but I'd rather take the steep path up and get up there quick. Watch me get it now. Yeah! Let's get to the top of the first little climb. I think we should be on that path on that one. How are you finding it?
Oh my god!
You're loving it, aren't you?
I'm honestly secretly loving it. I just need some poles.
Trekking poles, always away. I know I always rave about them. I think we're going to go up here and then work out how to get onto the next bit of the path because it kind of should be over there somewhere. No, hopefully it's not that one we should be on. We'll see. Still going. We made it to the top of that little climb there. And now we're just cutting across a little bit of moor, as you can probably see. I'll turn the camera around in a second. So we did make the right choice. We got up nice and steep, but to save coming down and far along. Don't sink. It's really boggy here now though. And as you can see, all the clag on the top of that peak, and that one is Cold Pike, and that's our first Wainwright of the day. So we're just going to follow this path up. And as I say, I'll bring the camera back to show you the beautiful views from the top. Getting windy, just getting in the clag now. Looks awesome up here though. I've not checked the route for a little bit, but I'm guessing we're just going straight up here. What do you think?
Yeah, definitely.
Whoa, there we go. She doesn't need help there. There we go. And we are bang on my route on my watch. Not sure if you can see that on the camera. There we go. Here we go. We should be getting close to the top. This is where all the weather's coming in from today. I can already feel the wind. There she is. Hopefully you can hear me with the wind, it's so windy. But I'll bring you to the top of the trig, or the cairn. Climb my way up there. Oh, wow. Literally sideways. There we go. Pike of Blisco. My watch says 705 metres. There's Nick down there. He's going to get in the shelter. Oh. There we go. Just drop down in here a little bit. Hopefully you can hear me with the wind. And I'll wait for Nick to catch up. Touch the trig. There we go. It's so windy. Woo! Look at the view. Wow. Right, I'll bring you back when we get out of the wind. Woo! Hat on, sunset from the wind. Oh, he's strong today. All good fun though. You can see how fast the clouds are moving. Nick's loving it. That's where we're going next. Wiggling our way down and up that path. This is very similar to when I did Scarfell. When you come down off Langdales and up to Scarfell Pike, very, very similar. That's what we just come down. I'm hoping when we get down here we'll get out of the wind a little bit as well. We'll just whip the camera here in case Nick goes on our ass. There's every chance of it. Oh, look at that. No problem. There you go. In fact, a minute ago we were both coming down the hill and literally a massive gust of wind, it floored us both. We both got on our arse. So there are strong gusts today. I forgot we had an odometer, so I don't know how strong it is. But it does say 60 today, 65 kilometres. And I'm guessing gusts of up to 75 maybe, 80. It's all good fun. When we get on top of Coal Pike, we're going to hit the wind again. Boggy mess. This is the story of the day so far. Boggy, boggy, boggy. Just doing my best not to get wet feet. Good job I've lost some weight lately. I'm not sinking as much in the in the bog. Whereas Nick's stuffed. I'm joking. There we go. So we're going up there. I bring you back at the top of Cold Pike. See Nick in the background. There we go. Fucking hell. Windy. Woo! There she is. Come on, touch the trig. Come on. Oh, wow. There we go. Pike of Blisco. Wow, windy. What a view. Right, second Wainwright of the day. Let's drop off here. I don't know what the next one is. It might be Pike. Who knows? I'll bring you back when we're out of the wind. I don't know if you can pick it up on the GoPro, but look at the sun just hitting the peaks there. I'm not sure where that is, but I think we're going on the little thin path in the middle here. But you can see just off the path, so I need to get to the left a little bit. If you can see it on the GoPro, maybe not. So it's up there somewhere. Enjoying it? Loving it. We're just getting close to another summit now. Not too sure what it is. Nick's just checking the book. What is it? Long top.
Yeah.
Is this?
It says guns and not.
Yeah, I'm not even sure if this is a Wainwright. If it is, I'll put the peak below and the height anyway when we get to the top. We've got a way to go yet. Okay, let's get up there. The wind's just died down here, and this is this just a little bit further up is a place called South Top at 834 meters. So that's another little summit for today. I'll stick that below. Not sure if it's a Wainwright. I can't remember what they are on this route. I don't think it is, but it's another peak while we're up here. Look at that for a, I mean, I can't see to the bottom there, but I bet that's a good clamber up. There we go. I'll spin you round. You can have a look at the full view there. But that's definitely a scramble down there for another day, but you can't see it. Still enjoying it?
Yes, a lot better than it was, I'm not going to lie. Less wind. This is nice.
Yeah, it's nice here. No wind for a change. Or I wouldn't be stood on here because it's been so windy, I wouldn't risk it. Your foot stuck in there. I don't know. There we go. Could even be a spot we have a little sit down if you wanted to.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's have a little. We'll have a sit down and a little sandwich and a little break while we're out the wind.
Oh!
Not a stone.
Oh no!
Under my house. Not really.
Woo! Okay, we've had our little break for lunch, and now we've got to the top of South Stack. Height below. Let's touch it. There we go. Not exactly an epic view. Batten down the hatches, get it touched, that trig.
Oh wow! I didn't even know what was here then.
There you go. My fingers are freezing and I've even got 2 sets of gloves on now. Can't feel my fingers, so cold. But we need to get a wiggle on as well. It's going to be dark this vlog by the time we get to the end, I think.
Okay, let's go.
But let's go see how we go. Yeah, let's crack on. Right, it's getting really windy now. We're moving away. Look at this, we've just come to. What do you think of that? Look at this, we've got to get up next. It is so windy. Oh, I've got to climb up there now. just gonna go straight up here. Do you reckon? Or what? Oh, she's a bit dubious, this. Right, down we get up here. Hand if you need it. You sure?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
Yeah. You got it. Whoa!
Oh my god!
I'm not too sure this is a wave,
Oh,
but
there, that is.
oh god,
That was mad.
yeah. It's a bit crazy up here. Okay, that was. What do you make of that?
God, like, we weren't meant to come up that way.
Yeah, to be fair, the path ends us a little bit to the side, but that was a severe climb. You did well with that, no problem. Straight up.
That was the scramble.
I'm just getting to the top now. I will have to put it below what it is because I've no idea. I know that next we've got Crinkle Crags. After this one, it's not too far, but I don't know what peak this is. But again, I'll stick it below on the height. Let's touch the. Woo! It was probably a nice gradual path round to this one. Boom. There we go. But because we're in the clag, it's very wet up here now. Very wet, very slippy. But there you go. Maybe a grim thumbnail.
Next one.
Right, I don't know why I said Crinkle Crags before. I think I'm going delirious now. But
The altitude.
it's the altitude. But I think this is another summit here. So I think it's Gibson Knot. Or other way right. The wind's incredible. It's 2 o'clock. We've been going for 4 hours 7 minutes and we're at 830 metres. The summit might be a metre higher, but I'll put it below. What fantastic views around the around the Lake District.
Pea soup, we call it.
Pea soup
Pea soup.
all day. There's another place in the background there. I'm not too sure where we're going next, but we'll carry on. Every peak looks the same at the moment, just pea soup, a cairn, us getting blown over. But that's basically how the day's gone so far.
Yeah, it's been great.
Incredible wind. Oh, woo. Wowzers. Wow. The gusts. I'm getting low, I'm getting out of the wind. Wow. Oh, it's mad, it's crazy. Listen, up there next, I know you can't see. The weather, to be honest, the weather's getting worse. God. Right, I'm going to put the camera away while we somehow get up here. I'm going to say that now if you can hear me in the camera. So we've got another cairn here showing the way, but we're just saying that some people are against it and they're saying it's ruined the environment. But do you know what? These are a godsend and they're all over the lakes, and I agree. And in fact, we should put a stone on top of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because in bad weather
you rely on these to show you where you're going. So yeah, we'll add to it. But I think it's a great idea. I like it when you're small, don't you think? That made it. I need to do one high up. I think this is the last major climb of the day. This is up to Bowfell. It's about 903 metres, I believe. Just lots of steps into more clag. That's where we've come from. Just keep going. Nearly.
And again. I'm gonna edit this.
Top of Bowfell. And the amazing views of all the Scafell range and things. I think we've got 2 to go. Yeah, so this is the highest point of the day.
We've got Pike next.
Pike.
And then Rossett.
I was just about to say I'm glad the wind's died down, but obviously as I say that, we get a gust. Yeah, it's actually been okay, this bit coming up here. It's been really craggy coming up. We've been out of the wind a little bit, which has been good. A little bit of a nice change. Oh, she's like this all the way up. Selfies every 2 minutes. She's not. It's hard to film because it's really windy, it's really misty and claggy, and every summit looks the same, which is a shame. It'd be lovely to come up here another time and get some views. And I think there is a scramble you can do up here as well. Not for today. Just coming off Bowfell, and I just spotted, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, rock here in the distance, so I thought I'd come up to it, and it's like a face. Look at that, like the side profile of a face. So we just come off the path just to get a few pictures of it. Well look, another cairn marking the way. There she is, moaning. No. You're not going to be able to hear me. Super windy. Here we go. Things we do for YouTube. Wow. It's brutal. Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh. Imagine it. Are we going to touch that and get? Let's just touch it and get down. Oh. Man. Oh. Oh, it's there. It might be that one there. That's close enough. I couldn't cheat. I wasn't going to touch it, but I'm going to touch it on this side now. Just put the poles down. Oh, it just really hurt my foot as well. I got it jabbed on a rock. Right, I think this is the cairn. It's so slippy, so windy. Oh, this is it. Oh yes. Pike. 885 metres. Shit view. Windy. pub. Yes. Oh, how'd you find it? It's so windy. So we've got down from the tops now and we're on a bit of a path on the way down. Now this path is supposed to take us down past the lake and up to one more fell. But I honestly don't think we're going to have time to do it because I think it'll be dark by the time we get to the top and we've got to get back. And it's a big trek to get back. So we're just trying to get down now through all the bog and all the rocks and see if we can find a direct path to get back to the car, which is still going to be a bit of a trek. Yeah, there's not really a lot to show you from here, but once I get a bit of an update as to what we're doing about getting back, it's a bit of a shame to miss off another Wainwright, but it's just not worth it. Keep following the cairns and work our way down. It is actually quite beautiful around here, as you can see on the camera. Got the little tarn at the bottom, but look at all the clag up there that we've just come out of, and we can see some dark clag as well. And I think Rossett Pike's like right over there, so I don't think we're going to be able to do that one unless it's this little diddy one here, but I don't think it is. If it's this little thing here next to us, then we'll do it, but if it's over there, we're going to have to leave it. So it's just come down. Keep going. Right, I'm going to give another quick update. If you can hear with the wind, it's brutal. We're trying to save some time, so we've come off the path and we're going to try and get down this water, well, this stream. We've got to get where we are in the distance right over there, so we're going to just try and get down the most direct way we can. This could go one way or the other, but hopefully we make it. So slippy now as well. The wind's blowing right up this gully in our faces. What are we doing? You've got the water blowing up in your face and the wind. Woo! The water. We're just winging it down any way we can. It's not a path. Look at the state of this. Right, that's what we've just come down. I think we found a little bit of a path. And again, it actually doesn't do it justice here, but just look at that. We've got to get right in the distance over there. I can't really see a path here, but I'm hoping this turns into some kind of path, avoiding all that water down there. But it looks like it's going to be wet feet, I think. That's what we came down before, all the way up through that gap there. And now we've got about 3 kilometres, I think, back to the car. I hope you're enjoying this video, by the way. I'll tell you what, just challenging conditions today, but it's been great. Really enjoyed it. I think Nick has too, through all the moaning. If obviously you're along to, if you're a subscriber, thank you for coming back to the video. I really do appreciate it. Drop a comment below and I obviously reply to every comment. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing. I try and make a lot of effort making these videos, and I do enjoy doing it, and it gets me out of the house, which is why I do it as well. I do this because it's a process, getting out hiking, doing the video, doing pictures, things like that. I'm committing to releasing a video every Wednesday. It's to get me out, and I've needed that. I've struggled with mental health and I've really needed to get out, so that's why I do it. Wow, look at the colour of that. Not for today though, not for today. Next bit.
Not that bit.
No.
Don't pull that on.
And we're down. Brilliant. So that was a little bit of a slog coming down there. It's about 6 o'clock, so we've made it back before it gets dark. Hopefully the footage isn't too shaky. I know it's pretty dark for the GoPro this. And now we can get back to the car, let Nick put her lashes on. Have a good look.
No, don't.
I know everyone will say, oh, you haven't really introduced us to Nick. Her eyelashes came off at the beginning.
I not wanted to.
Yeah, and she won't go in front of the camera. So we're going to get back to the car. She's going to put her lashes back on, and then we're going to go, and there's a pub just down the road. Oh, I can't wait to have a local beer and a Coke. Dying for it.